How to use the template for all of your written assignments.
Hello learners, I'm Dr. Shae and here is your quick crash course on how to use the APA template so your paper doesn't come in here looking like a freestyle mixtape. Let's go! Step 1. Download the template. Don't copy and paste it. Don't screenshot it. Don't rewrite it. Just download it. I promise it won't explode. It is designed for you to type right on it. I'm going to say that again. It is designed for you to type right on it. Step 2. Replace the fake info with your info. Make sure you read the blue writing because it's literally step-by-step instructions. It tells you exactly what to do. Remove all of the blue text and replace it with your own. Be careful not to move anything around. The template is already double-spaced in 12-point Times New Roman font. Make sure that your spacing and font remains the same. APA is structured for a reason, and that reason is mostly my sanity, but also because APA is essentially report writing, therefore it is uniformed. So please don't freestyle the format. This is an academic paper, not a TikTok dance. Step 3. Keep all of the headings. Don't delete them. Don't change the color or the size or add a colon. Don't rename them unless it says, "Hey, rename me." Don't rearrange them like furniture, just type under them. If you start redecorating my template, I might start redecorating your grade. Step 4. Write in paragraphs. No bullet points. No numbered lists or list of any kind. No sentence starters like, number 1, my motivation is... This is English composition class, and you are expected to write everything in full narrative paragraphs. Save the list for PowerPoint or a grocery list, or for the comment section on Facebook. If you turn in a paper with bullet points, I'm sending it right back to aisle 7. Step 5. Use real references only. Make sure your reference page is formatted in APA and that your sources are real. If you use fake ChatGPT articles by Smith and Lee and Johnson, that's an automatic 0. I love y'all, but I'm not grading imaginary sources. And I will be checking them because I'm a big nerd who has multiple degrees who loves to read and research, so please don't test me with references from the Journal of Absolutely Nowhere. Step 6. Compare with the sample. Before you submit, make sure to proofread your work and make sure that it looks exactly like the sample. The more your paper strays away from the sample, the lower your grade dips. If your paper starts freestyle dancing away from the template, your grade is going to moonwalk right along with it.
And that's it. It's really simple. Download it, follow the blue instructions, replace the placeholder text with your own writing, and make sure your final paper matches the sample. The template is designed to guide you step by step, so stick to it and you'll be fine. If you get confused, message me. I will help you. But I will also side-eye you if your title page is big blue font. I'm Dr. Shae, and I will see you next time.